When buying a new JLG ES1932 scissor lift with Zuma, here are some things you need to know. First, let's talk specs. The JLG ES1932 has a 19-foot platform height, and it can lift up to 500 pounds. Ideal for indoor and flat outdoor surfaces, it is compact enough to fit through standard doorways, making it versatile for maintenance, warehousing, and more. It's electric, which means no emissions, perfect for indoor use. This unit's eDrive feature provides increased responsive maneuverability while significantly reducing the risk of hydraulic leaks, making it an ideal choice for sensitive indoor environments. The platform extension adds extra reach, and the proportional controls allow for precise movements, essential for tight spaces. For safety, the ES1932 meets ANSI and CSA standards. Plus, Zuma offers warranty coverage on key components and a full maintenance package option, so you're covered from day one. And when it comes to cost, financing or leasing through Zuma can help you maximize your budget and manage cash flow. Get in touch with Zuma today to learn more about buying a new JLG ES1932 scissor lift and see how we can support your equipment needs.